We need to rewrite this number as a whole number or a decimal. So they've given us this number in scientific notation, and yeah, we need to write it as a whole number. So I think a lot of the confusion can come if this is going to be a number like 0.00657 or 657,000, or not 600, 6,570, okay? That's where the confusion can come. Which way are we moving the decimal? So here's the way I look at it. As I look at this 10 to the third, and if you want, you can even put that in your calculator. You can put 10 to the third in your calculator, and what that means is you've got 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1,000. So we're basically multiplying 6.57 by 1,000, which means this number is going to be getting bigger. So we're going to be moving it to the right 3 times. So 6, 5, 7, that was twice, and then one more will be 6,570. So the way that I remember, I don't try to remember I move it left or right. I try to look at the number or look at the 10 and see if it's to a positive power or a negative power to help me know, is this going to be a number getting bigger? Because I know if I multiply 6.57 by 1,000, or even if it was 10 to the 7th, I know that's just going to be a big number, and this 6.57 would be getting bigger. Now on the other hand, I know if I have 10 to the negative 3, actually let me give myself a little more space. If I have 10 to the negative 3, this is, if you put this in your calculator, you're going to get a very small number, like 0.001, okay? And so if I multiply a number by 0.001, I know my number will be getting smaller. So anyway, that's a little tip for you, is look at the 10 and if it's to a positive power or negative power, and kind of think about what that means. You can even put it in your calculator to help yourself out.